Instagram is one of the most widely used photo and video sharing systems. Every day, though, millions of posts are uploaded to Instagram. One thing that you need to learn. This is how you will make your postings stand out from the rest. Create aesthetic photo for your Instagram post with Apowersoft Background Eraser. Download and install the app from the Play Store or the App Store. Choose among the 3 recognitions to upload a photo. The app will automatically eliminate the background and show transparent results. Then, tap Background, and choose what template you want for your photo. Next, beautify it by adjusting the saturation and brightness. On day done, hit the Save HD button. That's it. You can now share your amazing photo with its awesome aesthetic view. Thank you for watching.